When everything seemed to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. It has been my observation that most people get ahead during the time that others waste. If money is your hope for independence, you will never have it. The only real security that a man can have in this world is a reserve of knowledge. One of the greatest discoveries a person makes, one of their great surprises, is to find they can do what they were afraid they couldn't do. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. It is well enough that people of the nation do not understand our banking and monetary system, for if they did, I believe there would be a revolution before tomorrow morning. You say I started out with practically nothing, but that isn't correct. We all start with all there is, it's how we use it that makes things possible. If there is any one secret of success, it lies in the ability to get the other person's point of view and see things from that person's angle as well as from your own. There are three things that grow more precious with age: old wood to burn, old books to read, and old friends to enjoy. Even a mistake may turn out to be the one thing necessary to a worthwhile achievement. The way to learn to do things is to do things. The way to learn a trade is to work at it. Success teaches how to succeed. Begin with the determination to succeed, and the work is half done already. A business absolutely devoted to service will have only one worry about profits. They will be embarrassingly large. We try to pay a man what he is worth, and we are not inclined to keep a man who is not worth more than the minimum wage. There is one rule for the industrialist, and that is, make the best quality of goods possible at the lowest cost possible, paying the highest wages possible. It is not the employer who pays the wages. Employers only handle the money. It is the customer who pays the wages. That the devil finds work for idle hands to do is probably true. But there is a profound difference between leisure and idleness. Do you want to know the cause of war? It is capitalism, greed, the dirty hunger for dollars. Take away the capitalist, and you will sweep war from the earth.